Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, July 28, 2014. Let's jump right into the charts here. We're going to start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures, and you'll see that the futures are higher this morning by about 50 cents or half a point to 1972 per contract. This morning, the futures were underwater a little bit. You can see how they've really caught a bid beginning around 7:30 this morning. So, decent little pop. Why did the futures pop? That's a great question. But let's go over to the dollar-yen chart. You're going to see the dollar-yen, same time frame, 7:30 in the morning. Dollar-yen puts in a little bit of a low, starts to move higher, and that gives liquidity to the S&P 500 futures market. So, again, this carry trade is carrying the markets, and that's really the bottom line. S&P 500 E-mini futures right now at 1972. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news today. The first one I'm going to start off with is this ticker symbol HZNP. I've never traded this stock before, but this Horizon Pharma, this stock is just getting annihilated today. It closed at $13.90. It is now trading down all the way at $19.50. I did work out a calculation this morning, and I came up with a number of $8.05. So again, I don't know if you want to play this one. This is a little bit on the aggressive side, but there could be a scalp play on this Horizon Pharma at $8.05, right in that vicinity. I guess give or take 10 cents. But either way, this is a tough trade. But nonetheless, this is where this thing ultimately wants to go down to. So right now it's at $9.50, has another $1.50 of downside before it finds any stability on the chart. So again, keep that one on the radar. I was going to say on the horizon, but I don't want to use that one. Let's keep it on the radar today and see if it gets down to that $8.05 area. Let's take a look at Sohu. This is a Chinese internet play again. The stock closed at $57.40. It is now trading at $54.98. Did trade down to the $54 level. I will have a level for this stock in the chat room this morning as a gap play if we do come down a little bit lower. So I will put that up in the chat room this morning. I'll have that posted right at 9 a.m. Let's take a look at good old Family Dollar today. This is the one stock that is soaring and roaring. It looks like a deal has been done. Family Dollar will be bought out by Dollar Tree. So Family Dollar trading up to $75.80. It closed at $60.66. Great move there. Looks like Dollar Tree is going to be the acquirer. So Dollar Tree buying out Family Dollar. And that stock is trading higher as well, although I don't know if Dollar Tree should have any more upside in it since it is the acquiring company, the company that is doing the buying. So, again, don't look for any upside in Dollar Tree. If you own Family Dollar, which is FDO, trail your stop loss, congratulations. The other dollar store that we're looking at is Dollar General. DG is the ticker symbol, and the stock is trading lower. So, DG with a pretty good sell-off. I don't think it goes much lower than this. But nonetheless, the stock is trading down on the news. It looks like it was the $1 store that was left out. So Dollar Tree gets taken over by Family Dollar, and Dollar General basically gets left in the dust here by itself. So that is trading down a little bit, but I don't think there's a lot more downside in Dollar General. Let's take a look at Tyson Foods. I think they came out with numbers. Stock right now is trading at $39.60. Closed at $39 on Friday, so a little uptick. Tyson has upside to $41.30. That would be about it. Don't look for any more upside in Tyson from that point on. Let's take a look at Cal-Maine Foods, ticker symbol CALM. The stock is trading at $83.50, but the volume is very, very light, so I don't know if I trust it. Either way, do not chase this stock at all. It is overbought, extended on every metric. Upside should be limited from here. Let's take a look at Starwood Hotels. Ticker symbol is HOT, H-O-T. Stock is trading at $76.25. Now, there's not a lot of volume out here, so it's hard to tell if these are true prints. The one thing I am seeing, though, for Starwood today, if it does get down to around $73.20, we would be looking to be buyers at that level. So keep that on the radar. I don't know if it's going to get down there, but should it get down there, we want to be a buyer at that level. Let's take a look at Canadian Solar, CSIQ. This is the ticker symbol. Stock closed at $27.65. It is now trading at $26.55. There is support around $25.25. So keep that on the radar for CSIQ. $25.25. There should be a decent amount of support there. There's also a lot more support at $24.07. So keep that on the radar. This morning, Trillia is having a really robust move. TRLA. This is the real estate website company. Pretty good pop there. Looks like they are being bought out by Zillow. So again, the stock closed at $56.35, now trading at $65.29. So it looks like the stock is being bought out by Zillow. There's nothing to do here. If you own it, congratulations, try your stop loss. If you don't do anything. Zillow is trading at $154 on the news, closed at $158.86. So again, Zillow could pull back a little bit more. Trillia, though, TRLA, pretty strong move. Stock is holding up very, very well, and this is a stock that should just flatline now, really across the board, unless some type of negative news does come out on the equity. The next stock I want to take a look at today is a new issue. This came out on Friday. Ticker symbol is LOCO, Loco. This is El Pollo Loco Holdings. This is a restaurant. So pretty good little pop on its initial debut, which was Friday. And today the stock is trading around, as you can see here, $25.64. So it is making new highs, although it has pulled back a little bit. There's not much you could do with it, but again, just another new issue that came to market. And 2014 market has seen a flood of new issues each and every day. So again, just wanted to point that El Pollo Loco out to everybody. All right, looking at the market as a whole, you want to look at gold this morning. Gold is trading down. I take that back. Gold is trading higher by $1.80 to $13.05.10 per contract. Let's go to the GLD. And what you're going to see here, GLD is trading around $125.59. Again, nothing different really from its closing price, so it's pretty much in that same range. I'd love to see gold pull back a little bit or consolidate a little bit more, but it's holding up very, very well at this point in time. Oil is trading down about 74 cents to 101.35 per barrel. Let's take a look at the all-important USO. Just so full disclosure, I am long the USO at this point in time. I have taken half profits off the table. Right now, USO is trading at 37.55, so we'll see where this thing shakes out today. I'm not 100% sure what oil wants to do, but there should be a fairly good amount of support a little bit lower if it does sell off. With that being said, everybody, I think we covered everything today. Futures are up a quarter of a point to 1971.75. Dollar yen should be on everybody's radar. If dollar yen starts to sell off, the market will come under pressure. If the dollar yen rallies, generally will help keep the markets buoyant. That's the way it works. That's the most important relationship out here, if you ask me. With that being said, it's a little bit of a quieter Monday. We'll see what this market gives us. There's a few stocks we'll be looking at on the radar. There's a few gap plays we'll have in the intraday stock chat. And again, they will be posted up in the chat room at 9 a.m. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.